How engineers study traffic patterns. Welcome to Blueprint to Reality, the channel where civil engineering meets real-world solutions. Today, we're exploring how engineers study traffic patterns, a critical step in designing safer, more efficient roads. Let's dive in. What are traffic patterns? Traffic patterns represent the movement of vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists through roads and intersections over time. These patterns shift due to factors like time of day, weather, and events. By understanding these trends, engineers can predict future demands and design infrastructure to accommodate them. Collecting data. The first step. The foundation of traffic studies lies in data collection. Engineers use tools like traffic cameras, road sensors, and drones to monitor road usage. GPS data from smartphones and apps like Google Maps provide additional insights into real-time traffic flow. Pedestrian and cyclist counts are also essential, often gathered manually to ensure comprehensive data. Analyzing peak hours. Engineers pay special attention to peak hours, when traffic is at its heaviest, such as during morning and evening commutes. By measuring vehicle volumes during these times, they identify congested areas and develop solutions like road widening, additional lanes, or public transit enhancements. Simulating traffic flow. Once data is collected, engineers create traffic flow models using specialized software. These simulations mimic real-world conditions, allowing engineers to test different scenarios, such as adjusting signal timings or introducing roundabouts. By analyzing these virtual models, they can optimize designs before implementation. Targeting problem areas. Traffic studies help identify problem zones, areas prone to accidents or bottlenecks. Engineers analyze these spots to uncover causes like poor intersection design or outdated signals. Solutions, such as adding turn lanes, upgrading signage, or improving lighting, often stem from this targeted analysis. Technology's role in modern traffic studies. Modern traffic studies heavily rely on technology. Smart traffic systems use real-time data from sensors and connected vehicles to adapt dynamically. For example, adaptive traffic lights adjust their timings to ease congestion. Crowdsourced data from navigation apps also offers valuable insights into road usage trends. Seasonal and environmental impacts. Traffic patterns vary with seasons and weather. For instance, holiday shopping seasons can increase congestion near malls, while snow or rain slows traffic significantly. Engineers account for these fluctuations by analyzing data over time, ensuring their designs can handle such variations. Why traffic studies matter. Traffic studies directly affect our daily lives. Well-designed roads reduce commute times, enhance safety, and minimize environmental impacts like fuel consumption. These studies ensure infrastructure meets the needs of growing populations and evolving technology, making them a cornerstone of urban planning. Thank you for joining us on Blueprint to Reality. If you enjoyed this exploration of traffic patterns, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Together, we'll keep turning blueprints into reality. See you next time.